Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. This problem uses conservation of mechanical energy for a block sliding down a frictionless incline and compressing a spring. For the entire motion, the mechanical energy. The block spring earth system is constant. E equals K plus U sub G plus U sub S equals constant. Here, U sub G equals 0 at x equals 12D. Block is released from rest, so K equals 0. The spring is not yet touched, so U sub S equals 0. All energy is gravitational potential energy. U sub G equals E. Block is still not in contact with the spring, so U sub S equals 0. Because the block moved from x equals 0 to 6D, it descended 6D sine theta. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.